How to get a back button on iPhone. If you want a back button on your iPhone, you can use AssistiveTouch to create a custom gesture that works like the back swipe. Open the Settings app. Tap Accessibility. Select Touch. Tap AssistiveTouch. Turn AssistiveTouch on. A floating button will appear on your screen. Tap the floating AssistiveTouch button. Select Custom. Tap the plus sign to create a new custom gesture. On the gesture screen, quickly swipe from the left edge of the screen toward the center, just like the standard iPhone back gesture. Tap Save. Enter a name for the gesture, such as back. Tap Save again. To use it, tap the AssistiveTouch button. Select Custom. Choose the back gesture you just created. Move the gesture indicator to the left side of the screen and tap it to perform the back swipe. Keep in mind that this method only works in apps that support the swipe back gesture, and it won't add a permanent Android-style back button to your iPhone. That's it. You've successfully created a custom back gesture using AssistiveTouch on your iPhone. Also, if you found this tutorial helpful, subscribe for more iPhone tips, iOS tutorials, and hidden features.